Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a journey that has changed my life, from city life to country living. Lumaki ako malapit sa Metro Manila kung saan sanay ako sa mabilis na takbo ng buhay. Traffic, deadlines, crowded streets, at laging may hinahabol na oras. The city taught me to work hard, be tough, and dream big. But it also taught me how easy it is to get caught up in the busyness of life. Then life brought me to Australia. For almost 10 years, I live in Castlemaine, a beautiful country town in Victoria. At first, malaking adjustment. Everything felt slower, napakatahimik, at sobrang simple compared to the city life I was used to. Pero habang tumatagal, I slowly fell in love with this place. Dito sa Castlemaine, I learned to appreciate the beauty of nature. The fresh country air, the wide open spaces, the changing seasons, and the beautiful sunset became part of my everyday life. Instead of hearing traffic, I hear birds singing. Instead of constantly rushing, I learned to slow down. Country living has changed not only my lifestyle but also my perspective. Mas na-appreciate ko ang simpleng pamumuhay. Hindi pala kailangan ng maraming bagay para maging masaya. Sometimes, the greatest blessings are found in quiet mornings, meaningful conversations, time with family and friends, and simply being present. Most importantly, living here has given me more time to draw closer to God. Mas marami akong oras para mag-reflect, mag-pray, at magnilay-nilay sa Kanyang kabutihan. I've learned that when life becomes quieter, it's easier to recognize God's presence in the little things we often overlook. Of course, country living has its challenges. Mas malayong ibang services at hindi kasing convenient ng city life. But the peace, the sense of community, and the slower pace make it all worthwhile. Looking back, I'm grateful for both chapters of my life. The city helped shape my character, while country living taught me contentment, gratitude, and the beauty of slowing down. Kung may isang bagay akong natutunan, and that is, life isn't about how fast you can go. It's about enjoying the journey, appreciating God's blessings, and making time for the people and the things that truly matter. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this little glimpse of my journey encourages you to find joy wherever God has placed you. God bless and see you in my next vlog.